riding a motorcycle with two fingers on the brake lever. A lot of trainers have said about it, but let me put some perspective to it. Two fingers or even one finger on the brake lever is a very effective way to understand how much throttle input you are giving to your motorcycle. If you are not placing all the fingers on the lever, that means you are placing all of them on the handlebar, which means you are either off the throttle or you are on the throttle. So this gives a very choppy throttle experience and which disperses the motorcycle. So it's important for you to place that one finger. Also, that one finger helps you understand how much throttle input is being given. That one or two finger acts as a gauge for you to judge that movement. Secondly, you have more access to the brake lever, and when the brake lever is engaged, it is lesser than the time that it takes for you to move your fingers from the handlebar to the brake lever. You always have the brake lever in control. And thirdly, these are levers, so you don't need to press with all of the fingers. So please make sure that you engage and you use them wisely, because if you apply them hard, they will be harder on you. Is there anything else that you want us to focus with the braking segment? I think that's really important. Thank you so much.